In the anterior view of the skull, you can see the maxillae here and here. As you can see here, the bones are fused in the midline at the intermaxillary suture, underlying the philtrum, a vertical groove on the upper lip. The bone has a range of different processes, which have relationships to nearby bones. Here you can see the frontal process of the maxilla articulating with the frontal bone. This area here is the zygomatic process of the maxilla articulating with the zygomatic bone. This process here is the alveolar process, which contains the maxillary tooth sockets. Within the bone, you will find the maxillary sinuses, the air-filled paranasal cavities located approximately here and here. Remember, the maxilla is involved in forming the orbit, nasal, and oral cavities. Another important feature of the maxilla is the infraorbital foramen, where the infraorbital nerve, the second branch of the trigeminal nerve, emerges from the infraorbital canal. When observing the maxilla from the lateral view, you can again see its articulations with the nasal, lacrimal, frontal, and zygomatic bones. You can also see the alveolar process and frontal process of the maxilla. Some other features are the anterior lacrimal crest of the maxilla and the anterior nasal spine, which is used as a cephalometric landmark by clinicians when interpreting radiographs. In the inferior view, you can see another maxillary process, the palatine process. You can see how it articulates with the palatine bones, together forming the hard palate.